good evening, everyone. This is our final examination, final performance, the presentation of Modern Voices Timeless Lessons. We select our literary works and authors. First is Everything, Everything by Nicola Yon, 2015, the novel excerpt. It is a contemporary young adult fiction focusing on love, risk, and self-discovery. The author is Nicola Yon, a Caribbean American writer known for diverse emotionally resonant narratives. Second is Brown Skin Girl by Beyoncé St. John, Wizkid, and Blue Ivy Carter in 2019. Song and visual album narrative. It is a popular music and multimedia literature celebrating Black beauty and identity. The creators are the global artists whose work addresses cultural representation and social justice. In a world where we often grapple with defining ourselves against limits, whether physical, societal, or cultural, two modern works speak with powerful clarify. First, Nicola Young's Everything Everything, where Maddie Whittier, confined by a rare illness, questions is if safety is worth sacrificing life itself. Second, Brown Skin Girl, where voices across generations affirm that beauty and worth lie in embracing one's identity. Let us journey into their stories.
Says the world is dangerous. People, everything could hurt me. But online, I meet Oli. He talks about sunset and feelings talk too. Am I living if I never leave this room? Courage isn't just being brave, it's choosing to care even when it's scary.
Everyone says light is right, that I should straighten my hair, tone down my voice. But when I hear Brown Skin Girl, it's like a mirror showing me what's always been there. I am beautiful. Respect means seeing yourself as you are and lifting others up too. Maddie's story reflects how systemic gaps in medical knowledge can limit lives, not just physically, but emotionally. Her choice to seek connection challenges the idea that protection equals control. For Amira, Brown Skin Girl confronts centuries of colorism and colonial beauty ideals, reminding us that representation is a matter of justice. Every child deserves to see themselves as worthy. Societal rules can cage us, but empathy and honesty set us free.
What do this work teach us? Everything shows that responsibility means balancing care with respect for individual choice. Critical for teaching and parenting, Brown Skin Girl proves that leadership requires uplifting marginalized voice and ensuring fairness in how we value people.
Similarities both center on breaking free from limiting narratives. Contrasts modifies physical constraints, while Amira challenges cultural norms. The lesson: Perseverance isn't just enduring. Perseverance is transforming system and mindsets so others don't have to fight the same battles.
In teaching, we must nurture curiosity and self-worth. In leadership, we must act with compassion. In social engagement, we must stand for justice because every voice matters and every life holds infinite value.